So a couple of people had contacted me because they had problem with spouse visa or residency in the UK here. I am not an attorney or an immigration professional, but of course, I love to share based on my personal experience or other experiences or after research. I did a research on this and I just want to address this in general. So if you are having any problem with your spouse application or marriage application, this might be the 5 reasons why immigration in the UK or perhaps in any other country might think that your marriage is fake. Number 1, you do not have any joint property or joint bank account or joint rent or anything together that bears your name. Normally, marriage people do have something together, like they rent a house together, they will buy a property together, or even just a mere joint account. Number 2, you do not live together. What is the essence of marriage in the first place? Living together. So you don't live together, especially if you are in the UK, your name must be in the contract or on the property that you do live there together. If your name is not on the property and one partner's name is on the property, you still don't live there. You don't live there legally. So you're not married, because married people, they live together. I mean, what is marriage without living together? Like, hello, so basic. You don't live together. You cannot even fight it. And the third one, I feel like, is discrimination. But well, c'est la vie. The third one is if the citizen is really ugly or not in a healthy state, you know what I mean, and the other partner happens to be an immigrant and is a very handsome or very pretty or in a very healthy state, it looks a little bit fishy. It looks like a conducive marriage. It looks really fake, not real. I know there are situations like love, like beauty lies in the eye of a beholder, but in the eyes of the law, there is nothing like this. It's a bit silly, but like anyone should marry anyone, right? There are real marriages, real love stories out there that in our eyes, the people don't look cute. Like both of them don't look cute. One is more handsome than someone. It's will always be the case in the eyes of other people. But well, this is how immigration feels sometimes. Number 4 is also, for me, I feel it's a bit discriminative for the fact that I used to love older men. So if I had married one who happened to be white, then immigration was going to be thinking that this marriage isn't real. So if there is a massive age gap, let's say 10, 15, 20 years between the couple, then immigration is going to be thinking like, yes. So, well, that's how it is. And then the last one would be that you do not speak a common language. Say you speak some Ghanaian dialect, Kenyan dialect, or you speak Swahili. You don't speak any English at all. You don't communicate in English. You cannot understand English. And then the other partner speaks English, or the other partner speaks French, you speak German, or the other partner speaks German, you speak Spanish, you don't have a common language. So, I mean, how do you communicate? Love communication is different, I know there are a lot of people who have been married and when we speak in the same language and one person has to learn the other's language, but this is what immigration thinks. What do you think about all of this? For me, the 2 points that are most fishy will be not living together and like not having any property or anything together, like a joint account, house contract, or buying a property together. Those 2 reasons are very reasonable. But when it comes to age, the looks, and language, I feel like they are exceptional. They are cases, real cases, that these are actually the cases. This is it for this video. Let me know what you think. What are your ideas? Have you ever had any difficulties? Did you have to defend your marriage? I have so far not had that experience. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Be you, be bold, do whatever you want to do, say whatever you want to say, as long as you're not hurting anyone, but most of all, stay motivated and inspired. I will see you in the next video, and it's adios.
Stay motivated and inspired.
What? What? That's what?